See, another sabotager, another program that's stuck in our mind. How many people here have ever created an expectation for another human being? Raise your hand, be honest. How many of you have created an expectation for another human being, comma, never shared the expectation with them? So when they don't fulfill the expectation that you never told them about, who are you upset at? How does that make any sense? But you do it your whole entire life. Some of you are thinking about your husbands or boyfriends or both, whatever, one life, live life, whatever. I'm going to over the top do exactly what you do. All right, I need a helper. Did somebody raise your hand real quick? Wow, awesome. Okay. All right, all the way in the back. Miss, I'm going to do exactly what we do over and over. I'm going to be over obnoxious about it. Ready? I'm going to create an expectation for you, not share it with you. Here, ready? Why did you do it? Okay, I created an expectation that she would go YMCA, spin around twice and sit down. Did I tell her about the expectation? Is there any way I have any right whatsoever to be upset at her? Then why do you do that to everybody? If you want to catch yourself with expectations, if you want to have access to joy, human beings love experiences. We're feeling machines. But people go to anger because they don't understand joy. And the reason why they don't understand joy and how to access it is that you've been taught that your mind is supposed to be how reality is. Your mind is just your mind. Some people call it the monkey mind. Dr. Steve Peters calls it the chimp paradox. You're literally believing that what you say is how it's supposed to be. He should be respectful. She should be this. Kids should listen. Parents should call you back. How many of you have ever had a child doing their fake crying? You know, they don't know tears are supposed to happen. So they're, and you're sitting there going, relax, breathe in. How many of you, if your significant other told you, you're in an argument, your significant other told you, honey, relax. Oh, don't tell me to relax, sister. Then the person that loves you and cares about you tells you, breathe in, you'll feel better. How's that going? No. You don't want to be told what to do. You don't want to be told to relax. You don't want to be told to breathe in and breathe out. But you're sitting there hovering over a job. Relax. He's relax. Breathe in. Calm down. There's a tour coming. Relax. Breathe in. The state's coming. I need this job. Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching my videos. Ron Schwally here. Just wanted to say I appreciate you. Feel free to like, subscribe, and click on the bell if you want to see more videos coming your way to be alerted. Just thank you so much, and feel free to share this content with anybody who you think would find some value from this. Have an awesome, joyous, wonderful, breath-filled rest of your day.